Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the CUSIMAX cast iron double hot plate. It's a hot plate with two electric appliance which can bring you a hot surface. It comes one in 1000 watt and one with 1500 watt power. It's an electric double hop for the garden, for the garage, for camping, or. It's black and it's made out of stainless steel with adjustable temperature. It's always available in different other styles on the market, with ceramic hob, for example, or silver. And here it comes in black. It's really easy cooking. The double electric hob from CUSIMAX has two heating outputs, 1000 watt and 1500 watt, and an adjustable temperature control. Thanks to the two separate thermometers controllers, we can simmer and fry at the same time, or we just cook with the burner. It is quick and easy to prepare your favorite dishes at any time and nearly from any place we like. The only thing we need is a power supply. This elegant hob consists of two different size solid cast iron heating rings in 18.8 centimeter and 15.5 centimeter, and it is therefore compatible with different types of cookware, frying pans, steak plates, and more. This portable hob in a compact design for on the go, and in small cooking rooms is the office, in the caravan, or an additional kitchen appliance as you like and as you need. Thanks to the built-in thermometer, the heater lights turn on and off intermittently to avoid overheating of the burners and maintain the heating during use. This is a normal and no reason to worry about this. And on the bottom of the top two hobs are equipped with a non-slip rubber feet to ensure stability too, so we can always use them comfortably. And they're really easy to clean. The housing of the two electronic hobs is made of high-quality stainless steel, and the heating elements made of corrosion-resistant cast iron look stylish and durable. We wait until the hob has cooled down. To plate after use, cleaning can be done quickly and easily with a clean, damp cloth. This making cleaning a breeze, baby. And with this CUSIMAX electric hobs, our meals are made easier, really easier, in small kitchens and small places. During the first commissioning, there may be slight smoke development in the device. This is due to the exhausting of the protective layer on the heating elements. After 1 up to 2 normal uses, the smoke will automatically evaporate, usually within 30 minutes. Best outdoor. This is normal and no need to worry about. The CUSIMAX cooking plate has overheating protection and thermostats. It automatically turns off when the temperature is reached and, of course, too high. This is normal, and we follow easily the cooking process with it. We do not touch the body of the hot plate during use, as the housing is made of stainless steel, which leads to heat conduction. It takes about 20 minutes for the hot plates to completely cool down. We're keeping the food warm after use, oh yeah. We do not use harsh abrasives, steel wool, or corrosive cleaning agents for cleaning the hob, as they can scratch the surface or damage the device itself. We have a really nice device and easy to use with cook water, make delicious sauce, make delicious meals, make delicious meat or vegetables or what you like to cook. It consists of the 18.8 centimeters and the 15.5 centimeters two heating rings with 1500 watt and 1000 watt. It is quick and easy to cook. And we have a powerful and adjustable device with 2 separate control buttons. We can easily adjust the temperature whenever our grill meat, roast, fish, or boil water. and the black stainless steel finish. Oh, it looks really cool and stylish. We have a sturdy design. That means non-slip rubber feet on the bottom provides stability and prevents slipping on the tabletops. It's portable. The hob is 45 centimeter to 27 to 7.8 centimeter. And of course, it's easy to clean because it's an easy device. For small kitchens, for outdoor kitchens, for camping, for what you like. This is the CUSIMAX cast iron double hob plate. It's easy to navigate because we have to plug in it to the power supply. Then we can use the knobs to rotate clockwise until we like the temperature. And then we let it there, maybe on the maximum range. And then we can cook easily with it. If we're done, we go to the off setting and wait a little bit until it will cool down. This is the CUSIMAX cast iron double hob plate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.